a crazy weight loss hack that has people losing weight like crazy. Pretty sure you've never heard about it before, or you have, but you're still in doubt. Guys, it's called Natural Mounjaro. Natural Mounjaro has been providing countless men and women to finally start losing weight. We're not talking about just a pound or two, we're talking about massive weight loss. And it starts with a simple hack that is natural, that is healthy, and that delivers fast results. Guys, if you want to get to know more about this Natural Mounjaro hack, then you need to visit the link that I left for you right below this video. I'm pretty sure you're not going to regret it, seeing that this is going to help you lose all that belly fat that you've been craving to lose, and it's going to help you fit into your old clothes again, or maybe even new clothes, better clothes. But let's talk about this. It's going to help you raise your self-esteem. It's going to help you fix up your bodies, and it's going to help you also become a lot healthier. So if you want to know more about this Natural Mounjaro, visit that link. All right?